everyone, I'm in IKEA Mega Magna again, gotta buy some furniture. If you get the family card, which is free, just gotta sign up for a family card, you get a free cup of coffee or tea whenever you come here. So sometimes after traffic, well, to avoid traffic, I come here and I'll eat usually, but I ate earlier. So I felt a little guilty, so I thought I'd try this apple cake, which is 59 baht, so it's around $2. Let's see how this tastes. Very soft. Okay, well, it's in the refrigerated section, so it's a little cool. And the crust crumble up here is soft. It's not crunchy at all. The apple, though, it's got a tartness and cinnamon flavor. Yeah, they're real apples, that's for sure. I would say it's more tart than it is sweet, though. And the bottom of the crust here, some sort of shortcake looking thing. Yeah, very dense. The moisture from the apple seeps into it. And I don't know if this might be condensed milk. Let's see what this is. I might put some of that in my tea. Yeah. It's condensed milk, but it's not super sweet. It might just be milk. So I gotta say, it's a little different than what I expected. You know, there's no crunchiness whatsoever. It's like a shortbread, a dense, wet shortbread with apples in a dense, wet topping of crumbled shortbread, it seems. You either have to tell them you're gonna drink coffee or tea, so they gave me this tea thing called yocha. Seems to be a Thai original from Chiang Mai. Interesting, that's northern Thailand. Oh, it's an Earl Grey. I like Earl Grey. Yeah. It's interesting how much of the tea got through that bag. I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up. It's the lighting in here. The lighting in this dining hall is pretty harsh. It's not meant for filming. Let's try it with this stuff. Alright, let's mix this up. Can always get a refill of hot water as well in the coffee machine. I'm not sure if that actually helped it or not. The Earl Grey has been steeping for quite a while, so it's quite a strong flavor. I honestly can't even tell if there's milk in there. Alright, well anyways, always trying out the different foods here. I guess this is worth a try. Anyways, I'll see you at the next place. Happy.